Hey guys, how you all doing? And welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this gold shimmery super glamorous eye look. I've used the James Charles palette to create today's look and I just love the way this turned out. It is so glamorous and it is just perfect to wear it for any kind of weddings, parties or any nighttime event. It's just going to look amazing. Now let's get on with the tutorial, but before that please subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching it, and also follow me on my Instagram. Now let's start off with the tutorial. So first things first, let's prep our eyelids. I'll be using the Color Bar concealer for that. This helps you to cancel out any darkness on your eyelids so that the colors of the eyeshadow really pops out. And then setting it with my Color Essence compact powder. This process makes blending really easy so that when you place the eyeshadow on your lids, it doesn't get sticky or tacky. So today I'll be using the James Charles palette, and the first shade I'll be picking up is this dark brown shade called Boutique and placing it on my crease. Patting and just placing the product on my crease. I'm not blending it at this point. And for this look, I don't want the shape of the cat eye, so I'm not going outwards. So I'm just closing it close to my eyes here. I'm bringing it all the way towards my inner corners as well. So once that is done, I'm taking the next shade called Code James, and I'm going to use this lighter shade to just blend out the harsh edges of this dark brown. If you feel you've gone too close to your eyebrows, take a compact powder in a blending brush and just dust off the excess eyeshadow. So this will give you that nice blended effect. So repeat this process until you are satisfied with your blending. After this, I'm going back to that dark brown and just placing it right on top of the first layer, just to add more depth to it. And now I'll be taking the shade called Wig in my fingers and applying it on my lids. You can do it with your finger or brush, whatever you're comfortable with. I'll be using fingers because I feel glitter eyeshadows comes out really well if you use your fingers. So after applying the shimmer eyeshadow, I am going in with the shades Boutique and Benny and applying it only on the outer corners. And now finally I'll be applying the Krylon Gold Glitter. For that I'll be using the Krylon Multi-Gel Glue. Take a very tiny amount on my brush and just apply it on my lids, wherever I want the glue to stick. Make sure you apply a very small amount of glue because you don't want chunks of glitter to stick to your lids. And when you reach halfway through, make sure you flick the brush so that the glitter evenly diffuses into the black shadows at the corners, and so that there's no abrupt straight line between the glitter and the shadow. I'm going to do it one eye at a time so that the glue doesn't dry off. So taking a bit of the glitter on my finger, and again you can use a brush or your fingers, whatever you are comfortable with. So once the glitter has stuck to your lids, just dust off the excess very lightly. So now that my glitter is all dried up, I'll be applying the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner. And for my waterline, I'll be using the Faces Canada Kajal. Now with a small pencil brush, I'll be setting my kajal and I'll be going in for this dark brown shade called Boutique. And below that I'll be applying Code James. And applying the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. I'll apply my false lashes and be right back. So this is the final result, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Take care, stay safe, and see you guys in my next vlog.